Hi, in this video I am going to show you how to add IDM Internet Download Manager extension to Google Chrome. So IDM is a powerful tool that puts your downloading experience, offering lightning fast speed and seamless file management. So let's get started. Open your Google Chrome browser and search here IDM extension. So click on it and the first link is here. So click on it, the official website Internet Download Manager. So I click here and you can see, go down and you can see the link is this Chrome Web Store. So click on it and IDM integration module is open. So click on add to Chrome and click on add extra. So you can see this number of users are added this module. So click on storage page and click on this, click and then go to setting, click on where your cursor on extension and click on manage extension. So click on it and you can see IDM extension are stated. So click on got it and this is extension. So click on details and you can see if this is not on, so click on it and do the on button and go to this and allow the whole website. So on all sites are click to this and allow in incognito mode also. So click on it and allow the button. So this is IDM integration module. The settings are changed and click on it and use it. So thanks for watching this video and to subscribe my channel. Till the